Varma. I am from 4th Blueberry. I want to share some information about Kenya food. The most common food in Kenya is ugali. It is usually made from cornmeal and water. It is sometimes eaten with cooked vegetables or sauce. Another important Kenyan food is irio, which is made of peas and potatoes. The vegetables are boiled together then mashed up. It is often eaten with nyama choma meat, usually goat or beef. Githeri is also a Kenyan dish. It consists of boiled beans and corn kernels that are mixed with vegetables. It is filling meal that is very nutritious. Flavors can be added by mixing in salt, peppers and chilies. Kenyans also eat spiced rice. Pilau rice is made of lots of spice such as cumin, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Thank you.
Zali